going to show you how to add the camera lens blur in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on Filter, then we click on Camera Raw Filter, and here in the right side, we have Lens Blur. We click on this, then we click on Apply, and here it's going to load a little bit, but after that we can apply some blur effects to our picture, and we can also set the blur amount, refocus some things in the image, and as you can see, this is how you can do it. You can make the background more blurry like this. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.